Today you will work on an activity called Mystery Number. In this activity, you will be reading hints to find the mystery number. You may need to read the hints more than once to really understand what it is saying. Be sure to double check your answers before you move on to the next problem. In this example, there are 5 clues. First, I will start with number 1. It says it is greater than 100,000, but less than 110,000. This is an awesome hint because it gives me a starting point and a range of numbers to work in. Moving on to hint 2. It is an even number. That doesn't help me a whole lot yet, but I will need to remember this for later. Number 3 says it is divisible by 5. So that means it ends in a 0 or a 5. And I remember from hint number 2, that it has to be even. I now know that it has to end in a 0. So hint number 4 tells me that the hundreds digit is 3 more than the thousands digit. This means that if the thousands digit is a 0, the hundreds would be a 3. If the thousands digit is a 4, the hundreds digit would be a 7. There are a few options for this one, and I'm not sure which one is correct. I will have to come back to this hint later. The last hint is the sum of the digits is 14. Thinking about this and knowing all the facts from before, I know that the answer has to be 105,800. After I thought I found the answer, I double-checked that and every hint was true for the answer, and it was. The biggest help for me in solving this problem was going back to hint number 4 and trying out several options before solving the problem. So that is what you're going to do with mystery number. Remember, double check your answer with the clues. Good luck.